We all know about the cables that are connected to our computers, laptops, and other electronics. But when it comes to appearance, some cables are a bit different. You might have noticed the cylindrical part at the end of laptop charger. That cylindrical part is called ferrite bead. Now we will see why ferrite bead is connected on the charger and what are its effects. Wi-Fi has the frequency 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz and mobile network is of 850 to 2100 MHz frequency. That frequency is very high. When current flow through the cable of charger, it produces magnetic field surround it. So it acts as an antenna due to magnetic field, so that it absorbs the surrounding high frequencies like mobile frequency, Wi-Fi, radio frequency, etc. Voltage of laptop charger is between 20 volt to 50 volt. Frequency absorption, it produces noise. As we know, noise has higher frequency and it disturbs electronic devices, and that voltage or current fluctuation may damage the electronic devices like laptop. Sometimes we see the blur display on the laptop because of that noise. So the cylinder is used to prevent electromagnetic interference to a device or from a device. It reduces radio frequency interference. So the bead creates a low pass filter on the wire to eliminate high frequency noise, and it also stops the wire to act as antenna so that there is no interference from other surrounding devices. Ferrite bead made up of ferrite, which is a ceramic compound. That black part is mixed oxide of iron and other metals. The ferrites are placed inside a rubber or plastic material to keep it safe. Now we will see where it is connected on the charging cable. It is connected just before charging pin of the charger, so that all the unwanted signals or noise can be extracted from the cable, which is carried throughout the cable. Ferrite beads are available in the market for external connection also. The ferrite bead can be externally connected to the charger. Make 2 to 3 rounds of cable around the cylinder and close it. Ferrite beads are also applicable in medical equipments like X-ray machine, CT scan and MRI machine, etc. These all medical equipments have high frequency. Because of that, it produces disturbances. So to extract noise from the equipments, ferrite beads are used. Otherwise, it may result into false X-ray or CT scan reports. If you are new to my channel, then please like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you.